When it comes to competitive mobile games such as PUBG and Call of Duty Mobile, sound does matter as it enables you to pinpoint the enemy locations and even react more quickly. While you can just use a gaming headset, it doesn't offer you the amazing comfort, snugly fit, and super portability of a gaming earbud. However, the problem with using a gaming earbud is the latency rate. As it functions wirelessly, you might face some delay on the sound, which negatively impacts your gameplay. Introduce yourself with the GT1 Cobra from EKSA, an ultra-low latency gaming earbud that looks stylish, feels premium, and performs very well. We got the fortune to get our hands on one of these, and we'll be unboxing, testing, and reviewing it in this video. So without further ado, let's get started. The packaging itself is quite captivating, as it has a 3D accented product outlook on the front. Inside the box, we get to see the EKSA GT1 case that houses the earbuds. There are some extra earbud tips for gamers who have larger or smaller ear canals and a USB-A to USB-C charging cable as well. As a first impression, the casing appeared quite modern and futuristic to us due to its elegantly designed curved body. You don't often get to see earbuds featuring this type of outlook, as they are rather simple and minimal. The indicating lights on the case further spice things up, and overall, the casing gives off a gamey vibe. The design language further stretches to the earbuds themselves, as they too have the gunmetal finishing and the same blue LED indicator lights. They look quite bold and stunning, in keeping with the overall theme. It's time to get them out of the box and put them to the test. Once they're out of the box, the blue indicator lights will start to blink rapidly, signaling that they are ready to be paired. All you need to do now is take out your smartphone, head over to the listed Bluetooth devices, and tap on GT1, and it's connected. Gamers often spend a tremendous amount of time gaming, so having a comfortable pair of earbuds is a must. Thankfully, these ergonomically shaped earbuds are beautifully crafted to fit most ear shapes and curvatures. The tips are quite nimble and soft so that they fit right into the ear canals and stay in place. As for the audio quality, GT1 Cobra did live up to our expectations. The in-game audio had really good clarity, and we could tell whether an enemy was nearby. By tapping the earbuds twice, you can toggle between game or music mode. In the game mode, the latency is significantly reduced to as low as 38 milliseconds, and the sound appears more crisp and detailed. In the music mode, however, these earbuds produced some punchy bass output that felt really impressive. There are plenty of other touch functionalities as well, such as one tap for play or pause, two tap to swap between modes as we mentioned earlier, and three taps for enabling voice assistant on your smartphone. The microphone quality is also quite decent, as we were able to clearly give voice commands to in-game squad mates. It had minimal latency and fair clarity. GT1 Cobra is rated IPX4 splash resistant, so you can rest assured about its protection while going out on a run or hitting the gym. The Bluetooth 5.0 compatibility ensures stable connectivity, while the auto pairing feature instantly pairs up with your smartphone when it is game time. Talking about time, the earbuds themselves can stay functional for as long as 6 hours. You will get an additional 30 hours when combined with the case. Once drained, put the earbuds back in the case and it will juice up in no time. All things considered, we are really impressed by the sleek design, decent performance, and plenty of perky features that the GT1 had to offer. It is really difficult to find a decent pair of gaming earbuds at this price point, which makes the GT1 Cobra a good value for money option. If you are in for bold gaming aesthetics, you should consider the EKSA GT1 Cobra among other options. And that concludes our review of the EKSA GT1 Cobra. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.